Hey there, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start an LLC in New Mexico, making the process as simple and straightforward as possible. So, why should you consider forming your LLC in New Mexico? Well, the land of enchantment actually offers some pretty attractive benefits for business owners. First off, New Mexico has relatively low filing fees compared to many other states. The state also has business-friendly tax laws and a growing economy that welcomes entrepreneurs from all industries. Plus, New Mexico does not require you to publicly list LLC members in your filing documents, which is great if privacy is important to you. Now, let me show you the simplest way to get your LLC up and running in New Mexico. For this, I highly recommend using Taylor Brands because they make everything incredibly straightforward and handle all the complicated paperwork and literally everything else for you. Here's how it works with Taylor Brands. You simply visit their website, enter some basic information about your business, like your company name and contact details, and they take care of everything else. They'll prepare and file your articles of organization, provide you with a registered agent service, and even help you create an operating agreement. On top of that, what makes Taylor Brands really stand out is their comprehensive support and modern approach. They offer a user-friendly digital platform, and their customer service team is always ready to help you if you have questions. Plus, they include some great extras like a business website builder and branding tools that can help your new company look professional from day one. Let me break down what you can expect to pay when using Taylor Brands. So, with their service, you're looking at a base package that includes all your essential filing needs. Then there's a state filing fee, which in New Mexico is $100. The registered agent service is included for the first year, ensuring you have someone to receive important legal documents. They also offer additional services like getting your EIN and creating business documents, though these are optional extras you can add if needed. On the other hand, if you prefer to handle everything yourself, here's how to form your LLC manually in New Mexico. First, you will need to choose a unique name for your LLC. The name must include Limited Liability Company LLC, and you can check availability on the New Mexico Secretary of State website. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent. This can be yourself if you live in New Mexico, another individual, or a registered agent service. The important thing is that they have a physical address in New Mexico and can receive legal documents during regular business hours. Then you will need to prepare and file your articles of organization with the New Mexico Secretary of State. This document includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, registered agent details, and principal place of business. You can file online through the state's business portal. After filing your articles of organization, there are a few more steps to consider. You should create an operating agreement which outlines how your LLC will be managed. While New Mexico does not legally require this document, it is definitely recommended, especially if you have multiple members in your LLC. You will also need to get an employer identification number, or EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. This is basically like a social security number for your business, and you will need it to open a business bank account or hire employees. The good news is that getting an EIN is free and can be done online through the IRS website. Finally, depending on your type of business, you might need specific licenses or permits. The requirements vary by industry and location, so you'll want to check with both state and local authorities about what you need. Now, once your LLC is up and running, there are some ongoing requirements to keep in mind. New Mexico requires LLCs to file an annual report, which they call a Statement of Information. The filing fee for this is $50, and it is due every year by the anniversary date of your LLC formation. So, what is the best way to form your New Mexico LLC? Well, if you want to save time and ensure everything is done correctly, I really recommend going with Taylor Brands. They make the process incredibly simple and provide excellent value for their services. But if you are comfortable handling legal paperwork and want to save some money, the DIY route is definitely doable. Just make sure you stay organized and follow all the state requirements carefully. The most important thing is getting started and making sure everything is done properly from the beginning. This will help your business avoid any legal issues down the road and set you up for success. If you're ready to take action and start your New Mexico LLC the easy way, you can use the link in the description to get started with Taylor Brands. The whole process only takes about 15 minutes to complete, and you will have peace of mind knowing professionals are handling your filing and making sure your LLC gets started with no issues. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new business venture in New Mexico.